Let's get straight to it. 2019 Kia Optima. This is the 2.4 liter engine. All right, so this is one of the easiest air filters to remove on any vehicle. So you look right here, it says pull out to open air filter. So you just reach underneath here and you can pull this up just like that. Reach in, pull your air filter out, and look at that. So this one here wasn't changed too long ago, so it's not that bad. So I'm not going to recommend for this to be changed. So this video is just for you to see how to locate yours and how to get it out. And of course, once you're putting this back in, make sure you put the flat side in, and you want the side that has this right here facing outwards. So put that back in just like that, and we'll close that just like that, and that's literally as easy as it is. So that is how you change your air filter on a 2019 Kia Optima. This is the 2.4.